going on today, fam? So today I'm going to be installing this radiator protector that I got from West Coast Corvettes on the C5. I'm gonna show y'all how it goes. Super simple. So pretty much like what this does is it protects your radiator from any debris that you might encounter on the road, on track or whatever. Pretty much this piece is going to slide in like that. So let's get into it. And so the first thing you want to do if you're looking at the inside of your bumper here is you want to remove these 5 bolts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, I have several of them missing because my car was repaired and they did not put them all back in. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove the one that's in right now, and then we can install the radiator screw. This isn't really much of a how-to because it's literally so simple to do, but I'm gonna explain. So once I got these 5 bolts off over here, pretty much all I did was come in, slide it through, slide it underneath the radiator, as you can see here, and then I pulled back the bumper cover like this and pushed it through. Now, all I need to do is throw my bolts back in and she will be done. So I'm gonna knock that out and we'll move on to them. And this is the finished product. I got new hardware up here. That's all installed. She's in. If you look, she's like right on the radiator, so no debris can get in front of it. Quick tidbit. And so the OEM little bolts, they're 7mm. And then before you install this, like you need to clean out your radiator, like just so you can get all the debris out that was already in there. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you did like the video, please do like and subscribe for more of that content coming your way soon. Peace.